Hello and welcome to another update video about the Near protocol, one of the projects that I think will do really well next year. I mean, it is already doing very well now, but let's take a look at where we are currently. I mean, we have moved up here in the last move up. My last video I made on the 24th of December, we were just sort of here at around 1450, I think just below this trend line. And I said we might have difficulties to push up much higher here. And yeah, we came all the way up to 1637, basically this 1640, 1.272 extension level that I had on the chart, but we didn't really push through here. So we were retracing. I highlighted that we were overbought on the weekly. We sort of still, I think, are nearly overbought. I think it was reduced down a little bit. We're not in the overbought range anymore on the weekly, which is a good sign. Therefore, I said it might be difficult to push up much higher. And we can see that you just need lower indicators to push high. Now, the good thing is that we found support here at 1323, the first support level that I did mention to you in the last video. So I think what we could have here, also from an Elliott wave point of view, that basically starting from that recent low here at around $6, which was basically that Bitcoin flash crash, I think we started to build an impulse. And this is currently looking really interesting, because if we take the just sort of a quick Elliott wave account, we have that five-wave structure to the upside. I think this was definitely a significant low, a start of a new wave count, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that would indicate that another move up is still coming. That wave 4, if this holds, this would be a valid wave 4. First of all, we are not coming into the target area of the wave A, in the price range of wave 1, so very good. Also, if we take the fibs from the beginning of that wave 3 to the top, you would expect the wave 4 to retrace to the 0.382 fib level, and see where we are now. In that retracement, we came down to the 0.382 fib level, which is at around 1345. So this is here where we found support, and this is looking really interesting. And from here we already see the green candle, we could move up higher. Also, when Bitcoin maybe pushes up the next time, we might have enough power and gained enough force again, to push through here and get to the next fib extension. So basically through the 1.272, but we need to get through that first, which is at 1640. And then maybe it would be a big jump, but maybe we could even reach the 1.618 extension at $20.40. I think after that we see a larger correction, just another ABC from this wave here. This could then take us down, to one of the key fibs that you can see on the charts now, but we can't really calculate that yet until we know where wave 5 is going to land. Also, by that time, we will probably be quite a bit of, overbought on the daily and the weekly, so we need to reduce that down again. I have a bit of a problem with this wick here. I can't really count this, I think, because I think this was related to Near being listed on one exchange. I think this artificially drove the price up. I'd like to disregard that wick here. Overall, I think, yeah, we could move up higher from here. And we are currently at a tipping point. If I go on the 4-hour chart, what you can see here is, I think, a bull flag. So we have this flag pull to the upside, basically a correction down, which is, didn't want to do that, which is a wave 4 correction before we then have that final leg to the upside. We would need the breakout to happen to get this confirmed, and the breakout here on this chart would be above $15, right? So that could be a confirmed breakout, and that could lead us here to possibly the next fib level at $20.40 at around a 38% possible profit. Now, I would always, when doing short-term trading, I would always secure this with a stop loss. It's only how I would do it. Yeah, I think Near will do really well next year. Personally, I think when we reach the wave 5, we should see a larger correction down again. And then I'm always having in mind the potential Bitcoin correction that I expect that would take Bitcoin down to 20 to 29K. So I can't disregard this. Yes, near moves currently different to Bitcoin. I mean, we are here in not now in all-time high territory, but we were there a few days ago. And I think it has a lot of potential. It's moving completely different than Bitcoin at the moment. But I still think Bitcoin will have its impact. If Bitcoin drops that much, it could take near down as well. But depending on how high we are then, you know, we have to make our assumptions then how far we could actually drop. I think these levels that I had on the chart are probably too low now, as we're pushing much higher. These levels that I had on the chart, they are based here on price targets of $2.88 to $6. Don't think necessarily that we're going to see them again now that we're pushing so much higher, because we would then need to recalculate these targets based on the latest peak. So they will change. That's just how it works. When you make a new high, you have to recalculate your unit. You have to reset your fibs, because the whole fib thing will then get extended. So I will definitely update you in the next video as soon as we know if we are going to go higher, or if we have reached this level up here at 2043. I'm quite confident that we can get there when Bitcoin moves up the next time. All right, so hopefully you liked the update about the Near protocol. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.